We're already halfway through the feeding. She really likes her cereal. I'm gonna see if I can get it on camera. I just don't know if I can or not. Okay, there's the baby. Let's see if I, hey, where, there you are. I can kind of see you. Okay. Do you want some more? Yeah? Open your mouth big and wide. Nom 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 nom. Hold on, I can only see you. How about we go there? Yeah? Pew 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 pew. There we go. Oh, don't. Okay. It's easier when Jeremy's here. Okay, ready? You want it? Good girl. Nom 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 nom. Wait, nom 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 nom. Well, that's too much. Yeah? Spit it out loud on your chin. Nom 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 nom. Look at you. Look at your face. Look at your face. That's her face. Okay, ready? You want some more? Oh, and then she spits it out. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. I had to give you a bath today, too. More? Yeah? You're getting pretty good at eating stuff. Okay, say bye.